Step into a world where purity meets sophistication. An all-white contemporary home that redefines modern luxury. This is not just a house. It's an experience, a serene escape that blends architectural brilliance with minimalist refinement. The monochromatic palette creates a canvas where light, texture, and form take center stage, offering a living space that feels both timeless and innovative. Every corner tells a story of balance and harmony, where simplicity enhances grandeur. From the first glance, the home's facade captivates with its pristine white surfaces, geometric lines, and seamless integration with nature. Large glass panels allow the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces to blur, creating a sense of openness and infinite space. The smooth concrete, white stucco, and subtle metallic accents add depth to the architecture, proving that a minimalist approach can still be visually striking. The entrance sets the tone for what lies within, a grand yet understated doorway leading into a luminous space. High ceilings and expansive walls drenched in soft white hues invite natural light to dance freely. A curated selection of statement decor pieces, from sculptural vases to abstract art, punctuates the space, adding a layer of personality to the home's otherwise pure aesthetic. A symphony of white-on-white design unfolds in the living room, where plush furnishings, sculpted coffee tables, and subtle textures create a sanctuary of calm. Oversized sofas draped in soft linen contrast against sleek marble surfaces, offering both comfort and elegance. Here, natural light floods through floor-to-ceiling windows, casting delicate shadows that shift throughout the day, bringing the space to life with an ever-changing atmosphere. The heart of the home, the kitchen, is a flawless fusion of functionality and artistry. A striking waterfall island in polished white stone stands as a sculptural centerpiece, surrounded by handleless cabinetry that exudes sleek perfection. Matte and glossy finishes interplay to create depth, while integrated lighting softly illuminates the space, transforming it into both a culinary haven and a design statement. In the dining area, a long minimalist table sits beneath a cascading designer light fixture, its glow reflecting softly off crisp white surfaces. The space is an invitation to share moments, whether intimate dinners or grand celebrations, all within an environment that feels effortlessly refined. The absence of bold colors allows textures and forms to stand out, proving that true luxury lies in the details. The bedroom is designed as a private retreat, a place where relaxation is elevated to an art form. Layers of soft white textiles, from silk drapes to organic cotton bedding, create an atmosphere of warmth and tranquility. Subtle architectural details, such as recessed lighting and minimalist built-in storage, enhance the clean aesthetic, ensuring that nothing distracts from the peace that this space embodies. In the bathroom, white marble surfaces glisten under soft ambient lighting, creating a spa-like escape that feels both indulgent and serene. A freestanding bathtub takes center stage, its sculptural form a perfect contrast to the smooth, linear vanity. Every element, from the rain shower to the minimalist fixtures, is designed to offer a moment of tranquility, a retreat from the world outside. Stepping outside, the all-white aesthetic continues in the form of a sleek terrace and minimalist lounge area. Modern outdoor furniture, crisp white planters, and a reflective water feature complete the picture of sophisticated relaxation. With an open-air ambience that mirrors the home's interior, this space becomes an extension of the living experience, one where architecture and nature exist in perfect harmony. This all-white contemporary home is more than just a residence. It is a testament to the power of simplicity, elegance, and architectural excellence. Every element, from the precise lines of the exterior to the curated textures of the interior, contributes to an atmosphere of effortless luxury. It is a place where design meets emotion, where space is not just occupied but felt. A home that transcends trends and stands as an icon of modern living.